this is Dan. Welcome back to Snack Time. Today we're going to be making some mini pizzas, and the recipe will be available below in the description box. So to get started, we're going to take your tomato sauce, and then you're going to do about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Not B. And then a dash of hot sauce. And just go ahead and mix it. I've got French bread that I just cut in half. So now you're just going to take your tomato sauce and you're going to put it on the bread. And I don't know where you guys grew up, but in my family we used to make these and we call them French bread pizzas. Okay, now that you got your sauce layered down, now you're going to take your cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack and cheddar. So I'll just add your cheese. Alrighty, next I'm going to use olives. And you can use whatever kind of toppings you want. I'm actually going to make 2 of these the way the recipe calls for, and then I'm going to add pepperoni and pineapple to 2. And these are canned diced green peppers. And then these are green onions. So, there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 2 of these, and I'm going to add pineapple and pepperoni because I really like pineapple and pepperoni. And then I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll just kind of go from there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so there you have it. I modified 2 of them. And the recipe does say to put these in the freezer so you can bake them later. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and do them now. So, in the oven we go. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bro. Where did you come from?
Good job, that's good. So Dan.
Well, now that you sampled without asking,
That's good.
I made a French bread pizza from a Yugoslavian cookbook that my father Tim made.
Oh, the Yugoslavian cookbook he gave us?
Yeah.
This is like a family cookbook. Food You Remember Yugoslavian Cooking. And this was published, your dad published, or he printed this in 1976. Is that canned green pepper on there?
Yeah.
That's not something I would typically put on a pizza. Maybe I'm just not very creative, but that's good.
Good. Do you want to try it?
Well,
Again?
sure. I'll have some more. I see you have, the cat is interested. I like the use of French bread as the crust. I grew up eating French bread pizzas. And I never make it as an adult, and I don't know why, because it's so good. It's a nice quick lunch or dinner.
Well, we never make it because we're lazy. We always just order regular pizza. That costs 5 times as much as making something simple like this. And the good thing about doing it this way is everybody in the household can make their own to the way that they like it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to buy several pizzas to appease several different people in your family. You can just
Make a French bread pizza.
make them however they want it.
This is a really good snack, Dan.
A build your own pizza, bro, as my brother Mike would say. Boom!
That's super good. What kind of cheese did you use?
I use cheddar and Monterey Jack. Not bad for a quick 15-minute snack.
No, not bad at all. And for stuff that you'd have in your pantry anyways.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's better to use what you have anyway.
I'm sure your dad will be proud of you knowing that his Yugoslavian cookbook went to good use.
Yeah,
Well, there you go. French bread pizza.
who knew?
Yugoslavian style.
Simple and delicious.
All right. Well, if you like this content and you want to see more vintage recipes like this mini pizza, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesday and Friday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
Goodbye, everybody.
I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.